So my kids weren't so sure about kayaks until we got them these and did a lot of practicing, but they had watched their friends kayak, so they wanted to try, and their mom is the one who recommended these to us. For spec purposes, my twin girls are age 7 in these videos and weigh about 50 pounds. This kayak has the molded finger holes on each side to make it easier for carrying, and my husband also added the rope grips on the ends to make it easier to get them in and out of our vehicles. That has held up for us for the past 3 years, even with storing these outdoor year-round and through the winter. The 3 of us girls are not super water sporty girls, so it took a few tries and a lot of good laughs, but they eventually got the hang of it to where we could venture out with them past just the knee-high shallow water.
What? I'm just hitting cattails. We saw frogs swimming and I tried to scoop it up with my cat.